Hey everyone, Vitaly here, and in today's short video, I want to give you a very simple tutorial on what affiliate cookies are. And simply put, it's just the length of time that your affiliate link is tracked for after somebody clicks on it. So to give you an example of what this looks like, here's a video where I promote these hiking poles, and here's my affiliate link in the description of the video, which is associated with an Amazon product that I'm promoting. Here it is, it's the Trail Buddy trekking poles. Now, once people click on this link, there is a 24-hour affiliate cookie that is activated within which people can, if they buy this product or any other product on Amazon, I'll get a commission for that. So in this particular case, when you're dealing with Amazon, at least the Amazon Associates program, there is a 24-hour cookie window once people click on your affiliate link, and that's what it is in this case. Now, there are different affiliate networks out there that have a 24-hour cookie window, a 60-day period, a lifetime period even, and here's actually some to showcase that. So for example, with the with the ClickBank program, they have a popular affiliate network there. They have a 60-day cookie. So in other words, somebody clicks on your affiliate link that's associated with ClickBank, you have up to 60 days, or they have up to 60 days to buy whatever it is that you're promoting through ClickBank. Then there's programs like Wealthy Affiliate, where if people click on my affiliate link, whether it be through a blog, a YouTube video, it doesn't matter where, and they sign up, I get lifetime commissions. And also, if they click on the link but they don't buy it right away, maybe they come back a year later, but they don't click on any other affiliate links other than mine before that, I'll still get the commission for that. So there's a lot of different programs out there with different lengths of time for their affiliate cookies. And generally speaking, you want to promote products that offer longer affiliate cookies. But the truth is, there are also a lot of benefits in promoting products that are connected to an affiliate network with small affiliate cookie windows. So for example, with the example that I gave you earlier with the trekking poles with the Amazon Associates program, even though it's only 24 hours, the benefit of promoting Amazon products is that when people click on my affiliate link, in this case over here, and they visit this page, they have, yes, up to 24 hours to buy this, but if they also buy any of these other products or anything else on Amazon within that 24-hour period, I'll still get a commission from that. And in fact, when I look at some of my income reports for Amazon, it's not a lot because I don't really promote Amazon products all that much yet. I'm going to scale that up a little bit. You'll notice that these are sales and things that people have bought that I got credit for. But out of this list that you see over here, these first ones, the Trail Buddy trekking poles, these are the only ones that I actually promote through this video that you saw over here, through maybe a blog post or something like that. But these other products I don't promote anywhere else. I don't have an affiliate link promoting them. But what happened was that when people clicked to buy this product, they must have bought some of these other things as well, and that's why I got the commission within that 24-hour affiliate cookie window. So that's really, really huge to understand. So the other thing to understand about affiliate cookies is that they do get overridden if, let's say, somebody visits my YouTube video that promotes Wealthy Affiliate and they click on my affiliate link and they don't join, but then they watch someone else's Wealthy Affiliate video or something like that, and they click on their affiliate link and then they join through them, then those people or whoever promotes through that affiliate link gets the credit for it. So that's something you also need to understand about affiliate cookies, and when one overrides the other. It's basically the last person that makes the sale, which affiliate link was the last one that they clicked on, that gets the credit, and however long the affiliate cookie is after that. So I hope that makes sense. That explains everything that you need to know about affiliate cookies. If you have any questions about this sort of stuff, let me know. But one thing I do want to say before I finish up this video is that if you're new or struggling to affiliate marketing and you need help, I will leave a link to a resource below in this video that showcases my #1 recommendation for learning all of this stuff that got me to where I am, that has a lot of success stories, that is free to get started with, and it's something that'll help you out as well. You can also reach out to me if you need to within that program as well, if you have any questions, that kind of stuff. But that resource below talks about that in much more detail. So thanks a lot for watching today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care, everyone.